Okay, we are home, and I also got this package. Yeah, this is the chair, the camping chair. We're going to unbox this. So when you are outside, you just sit like this, and now we're going to put it in the bike. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, my laundry is noisy. Yeah, so I'm doing my laundry. I already have the others outside drying. I have been doing my laundry since 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock when I get off the bed, I start to do my laundry. The time now is 11, almost 30, 11:30. And I still have some more to wash. Yeah, like my towel and my bathrobe. No, it's not a bathrobe, it's a robe. Yeah. And I'm now preparing my meal. I already had my breakfast, a cup of coffee, and this rice left over from yesterday. Yeah, this is the fried rice coming from the restaurant in the town center. And this time I'm going to use this basmati rice. Yeah, in Dubai, I think in India they are using mostly basmati rice. Basmati rice is good for fried rice. Look at the grain of this. You see it is long. At work we're usually cooking the rice in the oven, steaming. Yeah, and the same when I cook the rice in the oven, I put it in the tray, a deep tray like this. And when I measure the water, the same I measure also with the length of the rice to the length of the water. And it works very well. The rice is almost cooked. We're just going to put some of this frozen vegetable inside, like steaming. And I'm going to fry some of these chicken breast pops. Yeah. Look how basmati is so much different compared to jasmine rice. This long. I don't know when I'm going to pull that. I'm a little bit lazy at the moment. It's now 3:20 and we are going out later. I'm just finishing this video. Yeah, it is now 6:15 and the sun is still high up there, and I'm watching the news. But yeah, I also want to go outside. Yeah, I have been here since morning, never go out today. And I want to see, I want to try the package that I bought yesterday. Yeah, the chair, the camping chair. My name, I'll be there. Okay, so this is how it is here. The sun is still up there, but it's going to sunset on this side. Even if we stay on that side, we're not going to see the sunset like the winter days. Just passing through. Oh yeah, it's open today, the crepe shop. I bought one crepe there before, and it's yeah, normal crepe. You know, the air is just so good to the skin. Not cold, not hot, just right. In a separate world, there is no sacrifice. Oh, this water park is closed this time. You can read from there. Yeah, there's nothing much. Actually, on that side, there are some people, they are doing the paddle board. I want to try that in this area only because it's safer in here. Love of all inside of me, the greatest love of all. Oh, if you notice, the sun is going to set down under behind those trees. Compared to before, the sun is usually setting down, yeah, just on the other side of this island, which is more good looking. It is very much low tide today. Yeah, the water is very far. Even those GT, yeah, there is no water on the near the very end of the GT. You notice my pannier? Yeah, I have that inside the chair, the camping chair. I want to try today, but I'm still looking for a place to try that. You know, this is my favorite house here in Nelson Bay. That is actually not a house, but a vacation house for rent. The time now is 7 o'clock and it's still bright like this. And it's so good singing along with the music. I don't have a good voice, but you know, it feels good to sing. Yeah, as expected, there are many people in here. This is another town center. And you know, this restaurant, they are busy, full of people. Also some of the vacation house, a lot of people. Yeah, gatherings is now allowed today. The last time I checked, up to 50 people are allowed to gather. This place looks like new because they newly asphalted. Yeah, nice road in here. I love you much better if ever you're in my arms again. Okay, so yeah, we're just going to sit down here and I'm going to demonstrate to you again how to use this yeah, camping chair that I bought online and delivered yesterday. Yeah, that is, how nice is that? Very quick to assemble. Yeah, and very relaxing when you are sitting down there already. And it feels, look at that, it's very sturdy. Yeah, the only problem I am seeing in here is that in the sand, it is probably going to go deep. And it's not going to be balanced. But if you're going to stay in yeah, hard surface like this, will be okay. Yeah, nice, very easy to assemble. like less than a minute. Nice. So it's good for camping, especially during the bike packing or backpacking, so that you can carry, you can put that in your backpack or in your bike, in your luggage. Yeah, but yeah, if you have car, yeah, I suggest to buy the bigger one, because bigger one will be more comfortable. At the moment there are many people in here, also in there, even there. And I mentioned to you before that you can actually cross, go into that island. That is a single island, and not connected to this one, but just that. And for you to be able to get there, you need to cross during low tide. During high tide, very dangerous. Oh, this takeaway shop, they are busy. A lot of people on queue. And also, if you notice, if you can see, there are many people, they are on queue, and they are going inside. Yeah, this Shelby Country Club is like the nightlife place here in Nelson Bay area. We are now back here in Little Beach, and this is beautiful. Yeah, the sky is color pink, red is white something. Beautiful. Yeah, like what I've said, we're not going to eat crepe, not today. Wow, this is how it is in the night. Looks beautiful. Sorry. We are going inside the grocery. We're going to buy something. I don't know yet. Oh, this tomato is special. Just $2.68. It's a lot. And like always, we're going to get 1 dozen of egg. And it's just $3.50. We're going to take this squid. This is $7. We are also going to take one of this apple. Just $6.90. I have everything in my backpack.